Hi, Milorad here. Here in my hand I have this beautiful old camera, and it's a Reflex Korelle. It's made by Franz Koschmann, and later is Korelle work. That means Korelle work in German. It's made in Dresden. In 1935, they started 1935, and they were produced until 1939, this particular model. And this is a medium format 6x6 SLR, and the camera takes 6x6 centimeter exposures on 120 film. It has a focal plane shutter with horizontal running cloth curtain, and I will open it right now, and you can see this cloth curtain. And let me just wind camera, and now you can see it's moving pretty slowly because this is a non-working camera. And shutter speed is from B, like a bulb, to 1 of 500 seconds. And this lever, metal lever, is kind of very cool. That's how you wind the film. And now when I press the shutter that is in front, you can see that this curtain is actually closing very slowly, or maybe not even closing at all. And if I go and change this speed to something different speed, same thing happened. This curtain is actually very slow, and it's not working. There's another problem with this particular camera, and that is I need to unscrew the lens, and you can see this is a mirror box, and inside is this mirror that is that silver coating on the mirror is very deteriorated, and it's very difficult to see, to focus. You actually don't need mirror to take a picture, but you need to see through mirror to see if you focused or not. And now when I press shutter, you can see that mirror actually move up and through the lens, and your film on the back is actually exposed. Okay, now let's talk about this lens. This camera takes 40.5 millimeter thread screw mount lens, and they used to use different lens makers, and this particular one is made by Carl Zeiss Jena, and it's Tessar 2.8 7.5 centimeters or 75 millimeters lens. And this is Carl Zeiss is one of premium lens manufacturer. The problem with this lens is that aperture is stuck on 4, and I cannot move it and change aperture. Okay, right now this camera doesn't work. I'm not sure if it's possible to fix it and how much this will cost. And I don't know if somebody will actually use this camera, because it's difficult to find 120 film anymore. And also if you use it, you get 6 by 6 centimeter square exposure, and you get from one film roll you get 12 exposures, and I think that can be costly. And of course I forgot to mention the most important part, that this is waist level viewfinder. And now I can see this camera that I'm filming with, even with that mirror that is kind of deteriorated greatly, but I can see, and I'm not sure how this, you probably need to guess focusing, or just put it on infinity and go back and take pictures with infinity focus. Okay, and there's also a little lens, a glass lens that you can put down, and it kind of helps you focusing, because it makes your viewfinder a little bit bigger, and it's easier to focus. And you also have that little plus in the middle of viewfinder to help you kind of composition. Yeah, it looks actually pretty good. And as you can see, it's kind of a waist level viewfinder, and it's just a beautiful old camera that I'm actually probably going to put for sale, unless I change my mind and use it as a display. Well, I may go to a local store, it's called Garland Camera, and see if these guys can fix this one. I'm not sure, and if they can, how much this will cost. Is it even worth doing that? But anyway, I will probably sell it on eBay and just put it like a non-working camera for display only, or repair if somebody wants to do that. Anyway, that's it for today. This is another find of my numerous boxes that I have in my house, and those boxes are filled with stuff that I used to buy from auctions and estate sales, and I don't do that anymore. Now I'm just trying to go through and sell the stuff that I have there, and this is why one of these beautiful finds from all those purchases that I used to do. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Milorad out.